Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be an unboxing review of the memory foam keyboard wrist pad, as well as mouse pad and wrist pad for your mouse, and with anti-rubber coating and cool designs. Let's open it up, and you can see the design that I got. But they come in a lot of different designs. They have a lot of cool designs. So this isn't the only design. All right, so that is wrapped separately. So here's the mouse pad. And this is a cool, I'm a fantasy guy, so this is a cool dragon design. But they have all kinds of designs, not just the fantasy design. So, and you can see they have the double stitching there on the sides. They're double stitch, so high quality. Nice mouse pads. Got the nice rubber backing so it won't slip around. So that's the mouse pad, and that's cool. And then let's get the wrist pads, and these are memory foam wrist pads. So you've got first you've got the wrist pad for your mouse, and you can see nice and small, nice contour design, and it's memory foam. You can kind of see how when you push that down, it kind of, so if your wrist is sitting on there, yeah, it's going to be nice and cushy and give your wrist a nice cushion. Love the memory foam feeling. It's just works well. It contours to the shape of whatever's on it, so that's good. You can see it's got that nice border on the edge, so this won't be coming apart. And then on the bottom, again, you've got that anti-slip rubber base on the bottom so that it will stay in place. So that's going to go in front of my mouse pad. And then here you've got your nice keyboard, contoured keyboard memory foam pad. So this can go in front of your keyboard. Again, you've got that nice thick border sealed really well so that this will stay together. And then inside of here, you've got that memory foam. And you've got, again, the one I got is the cool sort of fantasy dragon design, but they have a lot of other designs. So if you're looking for something like this, but you don't want the dragon, then still check out the other designs they have, because they have great designs. Artiron, I think is how you say the name of the company. Anyway, yeah, the one I've been using for years, and it's worn out, so it was time for a replacement. And I like the way this feels. I love the idea of having the memory foam. I can tell this is definitely gonna be a good one, and going to help my wrist when I'm using my mouse, when I'm typing a lot, to keep them in the right position, and also provide the right amount of cushion and the right amount of support, as memory foam always does. So that's the entire set there. Very nice set. Looks really good. Looks really cool. But most importantly, also features and function. Nice mouse pad. You can tell the mouse is going to move over that nicely. Got that nice wrist cushion with the memory foam for the mouse, and then the keyboard wrist cushion as well. And set this all up on my keyboard so I can put it to use. And yeah, definitely great product by Artiron. That's going to be it for this unboxing / review. If you like this video, please click that like button. Share this with anyone you know who might be in the market for something like this. All those ways are down there. If you have questions, post them in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews, or go ahead and subscribe to my channel and keep up with all my videos. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.